Isikolo solo sivaliwe, abafundi abakhona ukuthola ifundo. Ababelethi nabatshayeli benthuthi zabantwana besikolo basele bararekile.
Obviously, just being late for work, the inconvenience, finding a babysitter at this time of the day.
The only thing that I can do is just to take them back home. And there are some others, there's no parents at home.
Uthe ngemva kwalapho kwaphehuka irawurawu.
You don't have children in the school. That's why you are causing people to disrupt the school. Because you don't have a child here.
Vale. Igcine ikulu lokho ababelethi abasilingeke baqedukela batshengisa ithukuthelo kusomkhulumi wezefundo eGauteng uSteve Mabona. Akhange zibathabise inkulumo zikaMabona ngosihlalo weSGB ojanyisweyo. Mabona bogoduthe umnyango wakhe uziphenyile insolo zokuthi kunokuhloriswa ngokomseme esikolweni kodwa nabatsho akhange bathola ubufakazi obuphathekako.
You are trying to push us in a corner to push your agenda. We are not here to work for the department. We are here to protect the children.
Begodi ukandelelo ukuthi usihlalo weSGB ojanyiswe kwangekho sabuyiselwe emsebenzini.
She's removed from the school. She's not going to be part of the school anymore. There's a lot of allegations which were put, on her table, and she couldn't even respond.
The allegations that has been made against me are false, and I have responded.
Singisezefundo ethwane sile sayokulamula sifike sabamba umhlangano nababelethi.
The issue of sexual assault and bullying at the school, we have received those reports, and I have actually commissioned our Labour Relations Unit to come and do a full investigation, going right back to, I think, some of the issues were in 2019, 2020.
Nakusenjalo, umnyango wezefundo bawe bona isikolo sivulwe ngokuhaba.
We can have meetings with you, but the school must be open.
We are not going to open the school until they come and finish their business.
Mapolisa bekabeke ilihle libukhali ngaphandle kwesikolo njengombana ababelethi bajamile emagameni abo.